be careful.
And this factory was created in 1935 and reopened in 1972 after World War II.
Right guys, dito kami nagpa-park. So ngayon ay pupunta kami doon sa tea plantation na naman. Yung umaga ang lamig dito. Alright, look at the view. See, yan naman yung view. Maganda. Tea. Right. Bawal dito yung drone.
After we.
So guys, we're going to tea
You want to
factory.
see the factory?
Yeah.
Tea factory.
So pupunta kami ng tea factory.
You never met there, so you have to go. We have already go.
Tea.
Me, Kaka, Adik, Mommy, Daddy, the Opa, and you not. Opa together lah.
Guys, pupunta tayo dun sa taas. May iinom tayo ng tea doon. Yan. Yes, bro.
Hello guys, we're in camera and we're in table.
Share my vlog.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the video. YouTube channel public.
Huh?
I just my channel public. YouTube channel already delete. Not delete. I just do have. No, I shoot, not I shoot.
Nakakakulit ang mga bata na.
Mala.
This token is very naughty.
Oh my God.
No.
Hey.
Kumusta po kayo?
Kumusta po kayo? Kumusta po kayo?
Kumusta?
Kumusta po kayo?
Ah, very good. Lagi.
Kumusta po kayo?
Iman?
S1. Leo.
Kaya we order first. So guys, mag-order na tayo.
You look
Alright.
like the food.
Yes. Huh? No, mana water? Water one? Which one is nice one? The one I don't Oh, sedap. Iman? Donut.
Donut.
I want this.
Papa crack the egg.
Huh?
Papa crack the egg.
Don't know why they give like this. Already cracked, but it's okay. That's no problem.
How much is that?
9. Huh?
If you put jam on it, it's very tasty.
Leo, cakap lagi.
Jam? What?
If you put jam.
Jam.
Why you
What
put
do you
it?
mean jam?
Why you put it?
This one? Yeah, this is for this.
Okay, here.
Yeah. Hello guys.
Hello. Guys, remember is keke. Factory. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. You be careful. Hey, why don't we go to the tea shop?
Yan po yung factory. Tea factory. This is how the pick.
What's that? The cow?
This is the tea leaves.
Wait, but this is the old picture.
Come on, bro. We're gonna go.
There they are.
Now this is the tea shop.
Look at how much tea. Look at
Yeah.
We were just looking. It was a store.
Yeah. Why you sorry?
120. Like these plastic cost $30 only.
Oh, let's try. Ada free taste. Yeah.
They have so many table type of food. 3 in 1, 3 in 1, 2 in 1.
Where's Kaka? I didn't see Kaka.
You see Kaka earlier?
Oh, Kaka, go there. I want to go to Kaka. How you get it?
Yo, you could taste
How
it.
you get it?
Yo, you could taste it. Which one you want to taste, man?
You wanna test?
I already tasted before.
Is it good? Which one's good?
Oh, try it.
Can you?
Let me do it. Try check. Yeah, you could drink it right now.
Was good? Was good?
Green tea latte. I can record it for you.
Yep.
Drinkity,
This one I like.
How about instant tea mix?
With matcha.
Instant tea mix?
Instant tea mix, yeah.
Caramel flavor. You like caramel?
Caramel.
There's caramel flavor.
This one.
I don't know if you tried it.
Can you do it for me? Hop.
Oh my god.
Come on, man.
That tastes
You,
bad.
you wanna try?
No, I
But
don't
it's
want.
hot.
I already tried before. I already tried it before, but it's too hot.
It's good.
It's very tasty.
Yeah.
Which one you like the most?
Caramel. The caramel it was good. Yeah, it was good, bro.
This one vanilla flavor.
Can you do it for me? Again? Open for me?
Yes, I can do it. Yes, I have to do slowly.
Yeah, just slowly. Just slowly and we try this. Okay, lagi sikit. Lagi sikit. Okay, thank you, bro.
Let's see.
Dadading.
Let's see.
I don't like this then.
You don't like it?
Yeah. Nah, ini this vanilla I tak like. Ini caramel.
Caramel you like? Caramel you like the most?
Yeah.
No, I'm just giving the try.
I don't drink cold. Okay.
Ultra splash.
I'm okay, bro. Let's go.
I see.
Thank you, Iman.
That's not coffee water.
Papasok tayo dun sa tea factory. Doon. Ayun, nakapila kami ngayon. Yan yung factory entrance. Right.
Okay, so hello everyone. So we're going is starting now. So before we go, I want to inform you the exit with the same way right here. So you are strictly not allowed to go at this way or that way. Jalan keluar dengan masuk sama sahaja dekat sini. Okay, so now please wait for me at the entrance.
Okay. Yeah. So guys, papasok na kami sa entrance. Factory entrance. This is a tea factory. Come on, bro.
I didn't really more balmy than you.
Okay, so please open in the middle.
Yeah, you want to see here, Matthias?
Please open in the middle. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so hi everyone. Welcome to the Sungai Palas Tea Factory. So before we go inside, I would like to give you a short briefing. So Boh was created at 1929 by its founder J.A. Russell. And this factory was created at 1935 and reopened at 1972 after World War II. So we have a 4 factory, 3 at Cameron Highlands and another one at Banting, Selangor near Kuala Lumpur. So this factory we only produce the black tea process and another 2 at Ringlet we produce the green tea process. So there is 5 stages to making the black tea. Firstly, we plucking the fresh tea leaf from the garden and we move to the first stage is we drink. This process reduce the moisture content about 40 to 50% and take around 12 to 16 hours. So this process we do at second and third floor, but we cannot go because of safety issues. So next process is rolling. This process twist and break the leaf, liberating the juice for fermentation. Third process is fermentation. This process change the color from the green to copper, also develop the flavors and aroma. Fourth process is drying. This process stop the fermentation process, crystallize the juice, also converting the black crispy form. Last process is sorting. We sort the tea according to the size from the biggest until the smallest. We also extract the stalk and fibers to be used as fertilizer. After we sort the tea, we send it to Banting, Selangor, our another factory for the packaging and flavoring with herb and fruits. So this is our premium tea. The name is garden tea from selected leaf and selected garden. For this one, we use the baby leaf. Okay, so this is Palas Afternoon, have a light taste. Palas Supreme, medium light. Gunung Cantik is medium strong and Bukit Tiding is strong. And all for the taste, for the biggest the tea have a light taste and for the small the tea have a strong taste. Okay, so any questions? No questions. Okay, so inside no photos, no videos are allowed, but you can still take pictures of the sample. And who's still eating the ice cream, eating the muffin, please finish first before you go inside. So now just read and see the process by yourself. Any question you can ask me.
Tapos na tayo guys, nag-tour doon sa loob ng factory. So bawal mag-video doon sa pinakaloob ng factory. Alright, that's it. So yun guys, galing tayo dun sa factory, tea factory. So now we are going home. Uuwi na po kami.